Hi, good morning traders. I hope you're doing great. As you can see, this is the daily time frame of Bitcoin, and let me show you the count here. I will be posting the daily updates of Bitcoin, DXY and gold. So if you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe for daily updates. As you can see, we have this all-time high at 69k, and then we have this 1 2 3 as W, then we have this triangle as X, and then we have again 1 1 2 3. Sorry, this is A, this is A, B, C, D, E. This is a triangle as X, and this is another leg down, which is the third wave of this three waves. From here, A, B, and this is another C. And then we have the breakout. So either this is the bottom, or if not, then we may see at least 50 to 60% or even 80%, or even another ETH, like around 120% from here of this leg. Let me show you. If we have this three waves completed, either this is the whole correction, or we may have one more three waves up and then correct again as wave Y to the same level or below. See, if this is the whole correction, then we may see at least 61.8 or around 80% of this three wave down as A, B and C, and then fall back again to the downside like 1 2 3 4 5, which will be the 100% of this three wave down from this level. Like if it goes to 80%, then we may see 3000 or so. But if it is not the case and this is going to be the ultimate bottom, then we have different counts. Let me show you in the bigger time frame. See here, let me label the chart so you can see the count. This is 2.2, this is my 1, and this is my 2, this is 3 here, this is my 4 here, and this is my 5. Let me show you. As you can see, this is my first bounce, and then we have 1 2 3 4 5 where my 3 finishes. Then we have this ABC, and now one more leg up as the last leg of this 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have been correcting. So I don't believe this is a complete correction, because the trend was up for like more than 10-12 years, and this is only like 1 year, which I don't think it's a top. So we may see either 3 waves to the upside and then correct in the 5 again, or 3, or we may see another all-time high, which will be like, if it's an extended one, we may see all-time high around 83k, because that would be the extended B. Okay, we may have a triangle here as well, okay, and then correct in a 5-wave pattern again. So we have to be very careful, because this is a clear 3-wave pattern. 1 2 3 as W, then this is a triangle, then we have one more W X Y, and the breakout. The breakout shows that we have a bottom here, but it is not clear whether we are going to have one more ETH, like we are going to make 1 2 3, or we are just going to make A B C. So that's why I just wanted to clarify in the bigger time frame. Okay, now let's move in the smaller time frame and see what is happening there. So let's make the base channel first. As you can see, this is the base channel 36. Okay, so let's count now. This is my 1, this is 2, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 1 2 3 here. Now we have been in a correction, so it is possible that we may have 1 2 3 4 5 and A B C as W, and we may see, something like A B C as X, and then one more leg down from here as 1 2 3 4 5 to complete the pattern as 1 A B C as W, A B C as X, and this will be the 2 of this bigger count, and then we may have 3 4 and 5, or we may have not yet completed our fifth leg and we are still in the fourth, where this might be another possibility, because we have 1 2 3 4 5 here and we have 1 2 3, so we have 1 2 3, then we are making 1 2 3 as W, A B C as another X, so we have W X, this is my Y, and we may see the fifth leg, or it can be the another possibility here that the 4 was here, the 4 was here, and the fifth was here, and this whole is a correction as WXY as wave 2, WXY as wave 2, and we may just bounce off from here for wave 3, which is as similar and possible as the other counts. So this would be the base channel in this case. Okay, let me show you 1 2 1 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. This is my 1, this is A B C as W, X or B, and this is, so we may see 1 2 3 4 5 to the same level. This is another possibility that we may have an expanded flat here. This may also happen like so. So if that's an extended flat, then we may see these levels to buy it from. This would be the better position to open a long trade, like so. Let me make the base channel here. So this has higher chances because we have already seen impulsive waves up, and this is a correction. So A B C as W, A B C as X, we may have 1 2 3 4 5. We may see this level, or we may even go below this, because we would like to see the 50 to 60% correction of these 5 waves upside, which is, let me just make a zone here. This would be the best place to open the long trade if it's a we may see something like this. Because we may have an extended flat. See, this is the confusion with the extended flat, because it can be 1 2 1 2 3, or it can be just 1 A B C. So this would be an extended flat. If this comes down, if it goes above this channel, then it would completely change the count and direction, because we have 1 2 1 2. This is a possibility that we may just let me show you. This is also possible here, because we have already corrected this. We have already corrected this level. We have already seen this level. So this may be the 2 as WXY or ABC. Okay. Let me show you the count here. This is 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3 4 5. So this can be the scenario here as well. Then our base channel would be something like this. You cannot count the Elliott wave without the base channel. So this is the first thing you have to make. If that's so, then let's project the wave 3, because if that's so, then we may have our wave 3 here. This would be my wave 4, and this would be my wave 5. That's the minimum target of 1 2 3 4 5 comparing to what we have already. If we have an extension in the wave 5, then we may also see 18,900. I will change the color because that would be an alternate. Or we may also see an extension in the wave 2, which would be the alternate wave 3, which may extend till about 2.618, which is at around 19,400 area. So that's also a possibility, because we have the 1 2 3 4 5 pattern, and then we had the correction till about 50-60% in 3 waves. As you can see, this is a 3 wave pattern. This is 1 2 3 4 5. This is A B C. This is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 1 2. We may have 1 2 3 4 5, and this may be another 1 2, and we may start to take off from here as 3, which would be an extended wave 3, because as you can see, we have 1 2 and 1 2. So that's a even bullish. It would be even bullish, because this would be 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we have 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3. This is 4, this is 5. So this is another 1, and this is A B C X A B C. So we may have completed as A B C and then A B C and then take off from here, or we may have, like A B C already here, and this would be another 1 2. It is still the best position to open long and to put the SL under these lows, this low, because the target would be huge. If it is going to make 1 2 3 4 5 from here, then this would complete the third leg of this 1 2, and then we would have fourth and fifth, like so. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3. Let me see. This would be the extension of the third wave at around 18895. Then this would be the fourth of the third. This would be the fifth of the third, which may also extend, just as I told you about the previous fifth. This would be the fourth. Okay, and either we would have fifth here of the third, or we may have an extension and see this as the fifth of the third. Alright, then we would retrace as, let's check how much would be the completion, how much would be the target in the extension. Yeah, see, so if this is 1 2, this is 1 2 3 4 5, then we would have the extension target reached. If it is 1 2 from here, then as I told you, if it is extended, it can see 2.618, and we have just projected our targets from this leg to this leg. So we had 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 1 2 3, which is just as I showed you earlier, a few minutes earlier. This would be my extended third. This would be my fourth, because 38 to 23% or 38% or even 50% is where the wave 4 usually terminates, which is at around exactly at the same level. So if that extends, then we may see like 20,000 as the wave 5 extension, or this may be the case because the third wave is also extended, so we may see an extension in the fifth wave as well. Otherwise, we may just retest the third wave as the fifth wave if we do not have an extension, because in that scenario we would have 100% of 1 projected from 4 as the fifth, so which would be the same as third wave extension and fall from there as ABC correction. This would be the extended wave fifth. What was this for? I don't know. So this is the 1 completed as 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 as 3. This would be the fourth, and this would be the fifth if it extends, or maybe I just made a mistake. Let me check just a moment, please. That's the extension. What did I do? This is my 1 2 3 4. My 4 is here. This is my 3. This is 1 2 1 2. Yeah, this is the fourth. Here is the fourth. This is the third. If it extends, we can have fifth here. Otherwise, we may just retest the same area of the third and then go back down from there as 1 2 ABC or WXY, which will end at around again 50 to 60% level of the, we may see the same area again. Okay, this would be the buy zone. So let's label. This is 1 2. This would be third. This would be fourth. This would be the fifth. This is making me confused. So we may have something like this. Okay. Please like and subscribe to the channel, don't forget, and also comment and share with your friends to help them and me as well. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to comment, and if you have any other pair, let me know in the comment section. I would like to analyze that for you as well. Thank you, take care, and best of luck. Bye.